In this example, I'm going to show how I would redesign a slide to make it more effective for learning in the art classroom. So right now, this design has a lot going on. There's too much text, extra decorations, and it's not very clear where the viewer should look first. This can really overwhelm students and make it harder for them to focus on the main idea of the lesson. So first, we're going to go ahead and remove some of these extra design elements as they don't support the learning goal. This helps reduce distractions and keeps the slide more focused. Next, we're going to start simplifying this text by making it all the same font and color. And then we're going to go ahead and cut down on the language being used. Instead of large chunks of information, I'm keeping only the key idea, so that way it's easier to read and understand quickly. Now that we have finished kind of simplifying the text, we're going to go ahead and start adjusting the spacing and layout so everything feels a bit more organized. This helps guide the viewer's attention. It makes the slide easier to follow. And now we have a lot of room to work with considering we deleted so many things. Add some extra spacing here. We're also going to take this lovely image on the side and make it much larger than what it was before. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and make the main idea stand out more by increasing the title slides and creating a clear visual hierarchy. This way, students immediately know what's important and what is going on and what they should be looking at. Go ahead and bold some of these important phrases here. Okay. And then as an extra visual element, we're going to go ahead and add a drop shadow here. So again, this way it creates depth and makes the visual stand out a little bit without creating too much of a distraction. And then the last thing we're going to do is go ahead and change the background to this to add some nice contrast, and again, just making everything much more clean and easy to read. So this is the final revised version. It will help students learn better because it reduces the cognitive overload, it'll guide their attention, and it keeps the focus on the key idea, which is cutting out your object step by step.